Okay, so what is the error here? Okay, I think I have missed a bracket. Okay, let's see. Yes, it's working. So basically, the above code just get all the waves and create a new div every time a single wave and show that the data on the screen. Okay, let's wave it. Okay, so you can see that wave function is no more working. Why is that so? So yeah, it's the explanation. If you try to wave, it will give an error because you're expecting a message to be sent now with it. Now for now you can fix this by hard coding a message. Okay, so it's basically expecting a message as we add a parameter here. Let me show you here. So we do require a message. Okay, now let's wave it again. Wave at me. Okay, so yes, now we can wave it. So okay, so it's waved successfully. Okay, now we can add a text box also to send a message. Now let's move on to the next section.